विष्णुपदाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे अजानुलंबितो भुजाओ कनकावदातो संकीर्तन के पितरो कमलाय दाक्षो विश्वंबरो दुजबरो युगधर्म फालो वंदे जगत प्रिय करो करुणावतारो करुणावतारो करुणावतारो। Hare Krishna. First, I would like to take the blessings of Srila Prabhupada, all the assembled Vaishnavas here, to speak a few words as an offering to Srila Prabhupada on this most auspicious day. Srila Prabhupada had said, I have named this temple Sri Mayapur Chandrodaya Mandir, the rising moon of Mayapur. Now make it rise bigger, bigger and bigger until it becomes a full moon. And I'm very happy to say that is happening now. That is happening now. On the 13th February 2020, from the chairman Ambarish Prabhu and the rest of the team, for the pleasure of Srila Prabhupada, we are inviting all of the assembled devotees here for the inauguration of the Pujari floor, the largest Pujari space in the world. On the 13th February 2020, this is our second milestone after the Chakra installation. So we want all of you to be there on the 13th February. It is a grand ceremony in Mayapur. Please be there. Srila Prabhupada so much desired this temple. He wanted to build this temple so much. He was giving an offering to his Guru Maharaj, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. In this offering, he said, every Gaudiya Vaishnava Acharya has done something for Mahaprabhu. Like Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he went to each and every home, collected 1 rupee and built Yoga Peeth when there was nothing in Mayapur. Similarly, Srila Prabhupada said, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Prabhupada said, my Guru Maharaj. In 14 years, he has established 64 Gaudiya Math, of which the headquarters Chaitanya Math he built in Mayapur when there was nothing in Mayapur. Similarly, I also wanted to build this temple and offer it to Mahaprabhu as my personal offering. He folded his hands. There were few disciples, and he said, thank you, boys and girls, for helping me to build this temple. And tears were in his eyes. He couldn't speak anymore. This is the emotion and sentiment of our Acharya, of our father Srila Prabhupada in building this temple. He wanted to give this as a gift to the entire human race. He wanted this temple to create a revolution in the consciousness and the mind, in the heart of a misdirected civilization. And this temple will do that. I said 13th February 2020 is the Pujari floor opening. And on 2021, we are installing Srila Prabhupada, which is going to be worshipped in the new temple. On 2022, you can clap a little bit louder also. And in 2022, the deities would be moved to their grand home in Mayapur temple. We are planning for a 2-month celebrations 2-month celebrations. It's a very grand festival. Very grand festival. Not even in the 3 worlds they would have seen such a kind of festival, which is going to be happening in Mayapur for the pleasure of their lordships and for the pleasure of Srila Prabhupada. Our request to all of you today who have assembled here and who are watching this program online, offline, anything, wherever you are, whatever you are, Srila Prabhupada should be always victorious, and always victorious. So please, in 1922, Srila Prabhupada got this instruction to go to the Western countries and preach. That is Ulta Danga project, which is also coming up by Maharaj's initiative. And that should also be built. Whenever someone goes to Prabhupada and said, Prabhupada, whether I should do this or do that, Prabhupada would always say, do both. So both of this project, Ulta Danga project and the TOVP, will have a grand opening in 2022, and it will be a ceremony for a year. And my request, with the straw in my teeth, with the dust of Vrindavan, please, if you have made a commitment, please pay it soon. If you have not made a commitment, please make a commitment. There are several opportunities how you can participate. This is the greatest offering in this planet Earth which anybody can give for the pleasure of Srila Prabhupada in opening this temple by 2022. Failure is not an option. Failure is not an option. Failure is not an option. 2022 is happening. 2022 is happening. 2022 is happening. Srila Prabhupada will be victorious. Our booth is there. In the one of the booths there on the stall area. Please visit us. Today is a very, very auspicious day. Make a commitment. There should be a huge queue. As Prabhuji was saying, for Prashadam, there was such a huge queue, and still it is going on. Similarly, this is Mahaprashadam, the service opportunity. The same queue or even bigger queue should be in our booth so that Srila Prabhupada is pleased. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna.
RG Media YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe.